What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, this is a clip from last Saturday. It was quite late. It was about 10:30 in the evening, and I was just scouring the crypto markets to see if I could find any trades. Just basically having a little bit of fun, not really risking too much. And yeah, was just a bit bored and wanted to see what I could find. So I found this setup on ADA, and I'm going to run through it. And it's a live trade at the time, so hope you enjoy. It follows our supply and demand setup and also uses support and resistance as extra confluence. So hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. On in the other section, I don't know why I kept saying supply. It's late, as I say. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice looking entry, that, because if you have a look, we've got an area here: resistance, 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 breakthrough, support, supply at support, and probably look, we filled a fair value gap there. This is a little bit too late for us to take this. We could still take it on a 30-minute actually, but no supply, no fair value gaps on the 5-minute. Let's pop down again, see what else we got. Nothing. It's covered by this candle here. Yeah, so it's all covered on the. Oh, there's a little tiny one there on the 1 minute, which it has been taken out. That's where it was in there with the 15. So this has been taken. The entry would have been actually here. So actually pretty well on entry right now. We could probably re-enter, and we'll go for that. Looks quite nice. We could easily come up to this area here, but we're going to go for our 1-to-1 price. Stop loss just below the zone there. It's likely if we do come down here, we'll come down and break below. So we've entered that one. So let's see. We'll see how that one goes, and then we'll come back to it. ADA's pushed up quite nicely. All right. So this demand zone is paying off. You can see rejection from the area, and we're breaking back into this zone here. Okay. We respected this high 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see if we can get a 6th. And we're actually going to bring a little alert there so we know we've pushed up more. Oh, it's the ADA alert to say that we have gone past our first sort of marker. Okay. I like the look of this. So we're pushing up. What I might do here is bring stop loss close to break even, just to take some risk out. Alright, because we've got this area here, we've broken through this first zone, which is where I put that alert. So we're just, yeah, we'll just pop that there. Super low risk now, and if we do push up anymore, I'll likely bring it straight to break even. Yeah, so that's nice. I think that if we do tap into this zone here, we fill this gap, I'm going to take the first TP, first profit, should I say. Right. Okay, ADA's really pushed up now, and in fact I'm going to take first TP there. Stop loss is going to go to break even fully, so we go for TP1 there. I didn't really have a TP1 set there, but we've got that now. Oh, it's all kicking off now. TP1 SL to BE. Okay, what did we get there? What was that? That was ADA. Okay, that was ADA just actually literally tipping into this first TP. So that's great. Risk-free trade now. 80% of the profit is taken from this trade. So we got 20% of the initial trade size left running, which is actually pushing down quite heavily towards break even now. So this is why it's really important to take your partials, and don't always just wait for price to go fully to your zone, because this could pull back easily and flip and continue to the downside. And choose key areas to take your first TP. You could take first TP here. Okay, I decided to wait for it to fill this gap. I'm fairly confident we could fill this range though. It still wants to push up. There we go. That's a really nice looking trade on ADA. If it can have a little push up, I might even just close the trade before we get to TP. And in fact here, what I would do normally is what I'm going to do now is bring stop loss to this line here. Okay, so stop loss to TP1. Oh, So now if price does come back down to this line, it will take us out the trade, but with all this profit still locked in the trade. So we're locked in now. If we do push up, we get full TP. If we push down, we still get whatever that 20% was worth up to this point. So risk-free trade. Okay, so just jumping back to ADA, we have now just tucked into this. That was a good choice. So we're out of this trade completely. Okay, we've got our full TP down there. I'll leave this in for future sakes, but didn't quite get our full TP. Ended up managing the trade, took 80% out here, let 20% run up, but ended up just taking 20%. So we pretty much got our full trade size ended up taking 74 points there, and happy with that. Recommend normally, but I'm just trying to have some fun here. So we just had a bullish flip there. So if I had left my stop loss at the original entry, and then we would have taken out our original goal there. As you can see, we were aiming just up for around the 2285 mark or something, and yeah, just tipped through, filled the range, which is nice. So really cool trade here. Just run through it again. So we had that zone here, which we broke into. We came back into the area. We had the demand zone. Filled a fair value gap. We had our break of a candle high, entered to fill this gap up here. So it's kind of like a fake out of this zone, broke back into this zone. We had a demand zone within this zone, which it didn't want to fill, and filled the fair value gap. So it's all a mixture of the two trading systems we use, really. So I'm really happy with that one. That's a nice trade. Very satisfying that. So there you have it, guys. It's another nice trade on ADA from a bit of a live freestyle video I was doing the other night. Super happy with it. It sort of matched all our rules, using a few other confluences with support and resistance. And yeah, it couldn't really have gone better apart from not being stopped out at our second TP. It could have potentially gone to full TP, but you know, that's negligible. We still got a good winning trade. We managed it to the point where, you know, for a long time we were risk free, and then towards the end there we were guaranteed a profit either way. So great trade, and something that crypto is something that I am slowly putting into my repertoire. I do prefer Forex to crypto purely because of the different movements that crypto has. Sometimes doesn't sit well with me, but I am finding ways to counteract that. And yeah, super happy with the results. Trading's going well this year. It's been a great start to 2023, and I look forward to what the rest holds. So as always, if you haven't liked the video or subscribed, please click those buttons now. We'd much appreciate it. It really helps the channel out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.